Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join the puppy friend hunt in Heartopia. So go check in. The event is here. I'm already here, as you can see, which is in the Forest Island. You can also teleport here via the bus. To make friends, to be friends with the Maltese. Yeah, to make friends. I guess that makes sense. To make friends with them, you can feed them food. Their favorite foods are grilled mushroom and meat and dog food as well. I think it's either dog food or universal dog food. I think it's dog food though, but yeah, that is pretty much it really. That is how you can make friends with them. And yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Make sure you feed them daily so you're able to unlock some stuff in the animal section. It is time limited, so don't do it do it every single day. So you'll get items from the animal catalog. I didn't end up doing the penguin one every single day, and I regret not doing it because I didn't get the last um prize, I guess, the last reward. But here's the puppy. It's adorable. Look at it. Oh my god. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. I think I said that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!